Welcome to this quick updated guide on how to enable scam detection on Messenger. If you use Messenger regularly, this feature is a must. It helps protect your chats from potential scams and suspicious messages before they can reach you. Let's walk through the steps together, and by the end of this video, your Messenger account will be much safer. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to secure. Once the app is open, take a second to confirm that you're on the main chat screen. Next, tap the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. This will open your Messenger menu where you can access your profile, message requests, and other options. From there, tap the settings icon located at the top right of the menu. It usually looks like a small gear. This is where you'll find all of your account controls, privacy tools, and app preferences. Now, in the settings list, scroll down and select privacy and safety. This section holds the options that help you manage who can contact you, how your data is used, and features that keep your chats secure. In this menu, look for scam detection. When you find it, simply toggle it on. Messenger will now automatically scan for suspicious behavior, warning you if someone might be trying to scam or impersonate others. It can spot fake accounts, unsolicited links, and other red flags that could put your information at risk. And that's it. You've just enabled scam detection on Messenger. It only takes a few seconds, but it gives you powerful protection while chatting online. Remember, even with scam detection turned on, always stay alert and avoid clicking on unfamiliar links or sharing personal details with strangers. Thanks for watching.